Can't get your head around affiliate marketing? Try these ideas. As fun as planning for the success of your online business may seem, it is a very important reason to start creating an affiliate marketing strategy, even if you have a strategy already. These tips below can give you some advice on how to market your business smarter using affiliates. To be a successful affiliate marketer, you have to say no to some ventures. Make sure you can handle everything that's already on your plate before you take on another task, and always remember to only involve yourself in productive tasks that will eventually lead to profits. Leave those maybe tasks for someone else to do, you need to focus on results. Take contract length into consideration. Many companies that work with affiliates put solid time frames into their contracts, usually between 6 to 12 months. Choose carefully when considering the time frames available. You don't want to get stuck with a contract that you aren't happy with for a full year. Along with all the other options to account for with an affiliate marketing program, look at how ad placement affects your revenue. Certain ad positions on your site, and even on individual pages, will garner more visitor interest than others. If you track the results you get from individual positions, you can fit the most profitable ads to the most visible placements, boosting your revenue. A successful affiliate marketing website has good content that entices visitors to spend time on the website and return to the site. The longer a visitor remains at your website, the more likely the visitor is to click on an affiliate link. Good content encourages visitors to stay and return. While planning to use affiliate marketing for your own online business is a lot of fun, you should feel better that you know how to do it. You can now apply your newly acquired knowledge either to refining your current marketing strategy or trying to create a completely new one. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.